What's going on, guys? Let's talk about how to use the bevel tool in Blender. So let's go ahead and edit mode, and we can use this with faces, edges, or vertices. I'll go over faces first. So your bevel tool is going to be right over here in your toolbar. You can also use the shortcut B to do this. So with this face selected, all it's going to do is you drag out, and it creates a bevel around the face. And you can go over your tab down here and increase the number of segments, and that will basically refine it. You can change the shape even if you want it to be more boxy or inverted even. This is a really cool tool to play with if you're trying to go for some specific effects. You can go material index. What this is used for is if you have two materials on your object. Here, you know what? I'm just going to show you. Let's go ahead and give this some materials and go into rendered preview. Let's add in a new material. We'll make this one white. Let's add one more. And then let's make this one a red. So let's go back into edit mode. And then let's extrude this up real quick so we bevel some more. So let's go ahead and bevel a little bit. And then on material index, I'm going to change this to a 1. And what that does is it'll go over and check your tab on the right side, your material tab. And it'll take whatever your set material is. That one is 0. So if I change this to 0, it will be the white. And if I change it to 1, it will be the red. And if I were to add another one, let's go ahead and add in a green. Why not? Like this. And then if I were to change, let's say I bevel one more time, and then Control B, let's go ahead and change the material index to 2, and that will be green. So there's a quick way to change your materials if you're trying to use different ones. But yeah, that's some of your options. Let's go ahead and extrude out one more time. Oops, not that face. Let's go ahead and extrude out this one face right here. And let's bevel that. Control B, remember your shortcut. And then your other options are you can harden the normals. I don't really mess with that. That's for some more advanced modeling stuff. But you can change the width. You can do that here. And then you can do vertices as well if you want to do that. And you change the width of those. And you can also increase the segments even on the vertices to do some weird stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get into how to do specific edges and stuff. So I'm going to delete this and add a different cube real quick. So if you have a face selected and you change your edges to... If you change your select mode to edges, you can again press Control B, and that will bevel each edge individually. So this is useful for situations where you want to bevel just one edge like this, for instance. If I hit Control B here, and I want to bevel that, you can use your mouse wheel to scroll up and down to increase or decrease the number of segments. It's a quick and easy way to get some arches in there, just like that. It's a nice beveled curve now. So for edges, for vertices, if you want to do that individually, press 1. If you select one of your vertices and press Control B, it's not going to work. You need to press Control Shift B if you're using the shortcut, and that will give you the desired effect. And as you can see now, we have a nice beveled corner. And if we were to shade this smooth, it looks okay. It's a little bit messed up because we probably messed up some geometry when we were messing around earlier. But Shade Auto Smooth looks pretty clean. But yeah, that's how you can use the bevel tool in Blender. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. See you guys in the next one.